Account information. The account information module allows you to consult your current account balance. The labels and values you see are directly related to your order entry connection and account. If you switch between live and paper trading, your account info values and labels will change. Same if you switch the account. If you want to see detailed explanations for each of the labels, you can just use the tooltips. If you want to view your balance in a different currency, simply change the currency from the currency selector. Account summary. You can switch to a different view of your balance by clicking the Account Summary button from the module's toolbar. This will display a more graphical representation of your balances using bar charts and pie charts. You can create custom charts by combining different balances from your account information. Simply click Settings from the module's menu. This will bring up the Adjust Sections dialog. Now you can add new sections, expand them, and configure them to your liking. After typing in the name, you can select the chart type and simply select the values you want to see. Click Save, and the new section will be added.